Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, 5 different ways to say the number 100. Let's get started. 5 ways to say 100. For example, 100. So listen carefully to me. There are 5 ways I use the number 100. I'm going to read a very short story. Listen carefully. Can you listen out and write them down? Okay, are you ready? Then let's start. So this video is the 100th video. So that means the channel has now uploaded 100 videos. 100. Wow. I thought it would take me a century to do, but I still haven't been paid by YouTube. Not even £100, 100 quid, a ton. Ugh, I guess I need to upload 100 more. Okay. If you'd like to listen again, pause the video, go back. If you're ready, let's see. Here we are. So this video is the 100th video. So that means the channel has now uploaded 100 videos. 100. Wow. I thought it would take me a century to do, but I still haven't been paid by YouTube. Not even £100, 100 quid, a ton. I guess I need to upload 100 more. Okay. So these are the 5 different ways. 100th, 100, 100, a century. And then these 3 are kind of the same meaning. £100, 100 quid, 100 quid, a ton. Okay, can you match the ways to say 100 on the left to the meaning on the right? Pause the video, quickly match. Okay. All right, so 100th, like when you're counting first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 100th. And then 100 and 100 is the same. It means 100. A century means 100 years. And £100, 100 quid, and a ton means all the same. It means £100. It's money and it's slang, British slang. So yes, £100, British money. 100 quid, very common British slang. 5 quid, 1 quid, 2 quid, 100 quid. And a ton is Cockney, which is in East London. They say a ton, and that means £100. So here they are again. Listen once more. So this video is the 100th video. So that means the channel has now uploaded 100 videos. 100. Wow. I thought it would take me a century to do, but I still haven't been paid by YouTube. Not even £100, 100 quid, a ton. I guess that means I need to upload 100 more. All right, that's it. Super short video just to say thank you to everyone who's been watching 100 videos. Wow, it's great. I'm enjoying making these videos a lot. If there's any type of vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, or anything you'd like to practice, then you can leave a comment. But yeah, once again, thank you so much. And yeah, keep on watching and yeah, see you next time. Bye-bye.